Well, if you're sitting at home wondering what your next vacation is going to be, how about a cruise? That's right, guys. Absolutely gorgeous ships, incredible islands, beautiful views, and all kinds of great things to do. That's right. If you go on a cruise, you're going to see some amazing places. You're going to get to eat some amazing food, do some snorkeling, swimming, hanging out at the beach, and having some fun. That's right. Between all the different cruise lines, you've got a great selection of ships these days and a lot of great itineraries. Definitely get a chance. Subscribe to How to Have Fun Cruising.